Alright everybody, today we're gonna go explore this old abandoned barn that's it's on one of my trails. You guys have never seen it. It's really grown up, so yeah, I just don't really go down it. It's a pain. You get a bunch of like sticks in your four-wheeler, but I'll pick you guys up when we get there. Alright everybody, we're about to get on the trail that goes to it. The weatherman told me we got about 15 minutes, so we're gonna hurry. Wait, what did I just say? Nah, well, anyways, it's supposed to rain in 15 minutes, so we gotta hurry. You can tell this is why I don't ride on it. I need to get a bush hog back here or something. It's a really fun trail. See, I used to ride a little bit, then that happened. You know, now I just don't want to get slapped by that. And then you have a bunch of mini trees and I feel like I'm I don't know what I'm doing. I feel like I'm just driving through a field of grass that is also surrounded by trees. I don't know. See, it's really fun. You hit that jump right there. There's a few other jumps back there. It's got a tree on it. I don't think I can go inside. That wouldn't be the smartest if there was a tree on it. We can at least get close to it. I'm trying to think if there's a good way I can get to it. So I don't feel like we're walking because I could get scared and have to run. So we're driving. Uh-oh. We're getting into it now. Oh, there's a big old spider web. Can y'all see that? Alright, hold on, let's see something here. Oh, this is not smart. We're shaking it. Oh, spider web. Oh, it's right there. I feel something on me. Okay. We're just gonna have to take another approach. I don't like spiders, everybody. I want to make that clear. I don't know if the GoPro could see it. Yeah, take that. It's still connected? How? Okay, that's down. I think we might be almost in the clear. Of course, there's another one on me. Oh, one dropped on me. Oh, crap. Oh, there's a fence around it. And there's a trail right here. Okay, I know where we're at, kinda. Let's see if we can get on back here. Yoo-hoo! Alright. I see where I can kind of look through it. I don't think there's an entrance. Or at least I'm not going into it. But I don't know if there's... I got me a flashlight. This is kind of scary. Kinda. Huh. Let's look on in here. How's the best position to not die? Huh. There's a door on the other side. But I don't want to walk under that. Let's see. What's that? I don't like this. Welp. I see the spider web up there. I'm doing a little back stretch. So you guys can see it, or it just looks dumb. But yeah. I bet there's some stuff in here. Look, there's some filtration systems. Let's walk around here. There's something like a glass. I don't know if you see it. I don't really care if you can see it or not. So I'm a savage like that. four-wheeler. Let's walk around here real quick. Oh, I could have just drove up right here. That probably would have been easier. But yeah. Huh, I guess that's what it looks like. There's just a bunch of old pipes in it. I'm not gonna go in, that's just, yeah, there's something up. I guess there's like a little loft up there. I don't know what this was for. But this is interesting, but I hear the rain about to come. So I'm gonna go ahead and get moving on out of here. Oh, there was some thunder. Oh man, it's starting to rain. It's starting to rain. All right, everybody. This has turned out into a rain episode. So we're gonna be getting home while it's raining. My dog's gonna be freaking out. She hates storms, and that's just a fact. You gotta take that tree. All right, everybody. You ever see the 250 go 200 miles an hour? Actually, you did. It's on my YouTube channel, and 100% real. Look at your little rock crawling. Oh yeah, this is some woods crawling right here. All right, everybody, time to go. Woo! Yo! Oh snap, we almost wrecked. That would not be good. Here it comes! Oh crap! Just don't wreck. Just don't wreck, Brady. Just don't wreck. Oh my gosh. Well, at least it isn't raining that hard. Nope, shouldn't have said that. I'm about to get jinxed. Oh snap, there's a hump right there. Alright. Ah! If you guys wanted some torture of brain, I was sketched out, man. Because I've been watching that Netflix series. It's called Skinwalker Ranch. Man, you talk about some scary stuff. It's just really creepy. Anyway, I'm gonna have to wipe off the camera like that. Woo! Drifting, baby. Hope the camera's clean. I can't really do much about it now. Let's see here. Is it clean? Yep, we're good. Alright, everybody, time to roll. Woo! Look, I got a dang tree sitting in the front. Hold on, let me grab it. Huh. I'll go plant it. We can have two trees. Woo! It's raining. Oh man, oh man. Oh, have to get over. Wheelie time. Oh, never mind. It was in second gear. Woo! Time to go put the in the garage. Come on. Enter. Let's go. Everybody, time to get inside. Well, at least I got my four-wheeler washed again. Yeah, I put this thing in the reverse. Woo! Oh man. Oh, now it's really starting to get going. Oh man. Oh, GoPro wet. GoPro's wet. Hold on, you guys probably can't see anything. There we go. Perfect. It's raining. It's quite the extraordinary process. Oh, there was some lightning right over there. Oh, man. Yeah, I'm glad we got in when we did. Whew! Oh, there. Did the GoPro just hear that? Hold on. I could have died. Been struck by lightning. I could have turned into a superhero, though. Oh, there it went again. You like my teeth? That was cringe. I'm sorry. I'm gonna make myself stand in the rain now. Alright. Guys, I hope you enjoyed. I was very scared, kinda. I don't know. Why is there just one singular spot? What is that? It's like one spot that's like really wet. I don't know. Maybe it's just a driveway. Can you see that? Probably not. Alright, bye.